Follow all lockout/tagout safety procedures before panel removal. Starting on the tension side of the machine, loosen the outside drawbar bolts and continue with the remaining inside bolts. Rotate the bolts to remove them from the drawbar, and remove the drawbar. Repeat the same procedure on the positioning side of the machine and remove the drawbar. Carefully remove the screen panel from the machine. Make sure the deck surface is clean of any debris. Inspect the deck surface and stringer protectors for any wear and replace any damaged parts. Carefully install the new panel onto the deck surface, making sure that the panel is completely flush with the top edge of the bed section and it is in contact with the locating bars or positioning blocks. To reinstall the drawbars, start on the positioning side of the machine. Tighten the inside drawbar bolts and then the outside drawbar bolts. Never use impact wrenches when tightening the drawbar bolts. Over-tensioning the panel can cause premature panel failure. Please make note, the same number of threads should be visible on all the drawbar bolts. Repeat this procedure on the tension side of the machine. Tighten the inside drawbar bolts and then the outside drawbar bolts. When properly installed, there will be a gap between the screen panel and the side plate of the machine. Check the tension by gently lifting the edge of the panel with your finger. The edge should lift easily, but snap back into place. When installed properly, the panel support ribs will sit directly on top of the stringer protectors. For any additional questions or information, please contact your Derrick representative.